So you want to make money on Pinterest. I'll teach you exactly how to do this. You can earn around $200 to $300 per day using this method. I wasn't going to share this with you guys, but I've gotten so many such good results with this that I'm actually just going to have to share it because I want you guys to make money online too. Because I know it's a whole lot of stuff out there. It's a whole lot of fluff. It's a whole lot of this and that. It's a whole lot of programs that want your money, but I'm actually going to give you something that works. And I actually did this all for free organically. And I actually use a software to actually make this thing go viral. And that software is $9 a month. I'll actually leave that in the description below. And it's $39 one time. So you don't have to pay monthly fees if you don't want to, but we'll go over that at the end of the video. So you definitely want to stay tuned, but let me just go ahead and show you. I just created a pin. This is just a pin that's promoting an affiliate program called the Secret Affiliate Machine. I just basically used Canva, created this, downloaded it, uploaded to Pinterest, added my link right here. They give you a way that you can come over here and you can just create a pin, put your pin in here. I target it by keyword. So if I go down here, I targeted affiliate marketing, passive income, make money online. I use those hashtags, and I also use make money today, easy ways to make money. And I did that by just basically going to the ad portion of Pinterest, and I'm not actually using the ad portion. I'm not actually running ads, but I want to see what keywords are getting the most monthly searches. So right here, you can see make money ideas is not getting that many searches. You can go down here, you can actually see what's getting the most searches, which is money making website, extra money ideas, different things like that. Ways to make money online are actually getting the most searches. So I basically just targeted those keywords and made sure that people were able to see my content. So if I go over here, you can actually see this right here. This is an actual pin that I did. They click on it, they go over to my website, which then they become a lead, and I actually show this to you guys. You guys know all about this if you've been following me, but just for the new people, if I go to, get response, I'll actually show you my list real quick if it will load up quickly enough. Probably got too many tabs open, but if I just exit out of here, okay, you can just see, I was at 30 before I actually posted this pin, and now I've gotten around 21 leads thanks to this software and method put into action. So that's one of them. If I go over here, it's another one that I had open. I don't know what I did with it, but basically that's the whole thing of it. I just created this in Canva. It took me around 2 minutes to create. I put this on a targeted board using targeted. Let me exit this because I know this video is going to play. I put it on a targeted board and sent targeted people to look at it. They decided whether they wanted to click on it or not. So once they decided whether they want to click on it or not, they actually went ahead, did it, and went over to the actual website and the profile. So how can you put this on autopilot? I use a software called Pinflux. Pinflux is really easy to use. It basically it actually unfollows billboards for you. You connect your Pinterest account. It's just like any other software, I guess, that you use with this. This is the software that I actually was talking about in the beginning. You just basically hook it up to your Pinterest account, and you can, find quality pins to repin. This actually build up your account. You can do auto follow boards, unfollow feature. You can do your growing, and you can get, it says you can get more sales and signups. I actually can attest to that because, like I said, I've been using it for a while. It's quick and easy to set up. It's a really quick install to do, and it's literally $9 a month. If I go right here and actually show it to you guys, really $9 a month, or you can pay the one-time one that's $37. I'll leave a link to it, but that's the whole method. And I'm not going to go all the way into it because it's a whole lot of stuff you got to do as far as 1,000 pins on the Pinterest board before you actually repin your content or pin your content to the board. And I'll go over that in another video. Matter of fact, I have a whole Pinterest course. I didn't just wake up and try to become a Pinterest guru. I've been doing this for a while. I grew my account from like 50,000 monthly viewers to around, if I go over to it right now, we had 217, and this actually is now. It's been consistently at 300,000 monthly viewers for a while. And I actually show it to you guys. Like I said, I'm very transparent with this stuff. This is really cool. So you can just see if I go to, these are impressions, but if I go to, and they just switched up the analytics. So This is okay. If I go to organic, you get this is, or these are the amount of impressions that I'm getting per day organically. So around 10,000. Right now we're at 11,000. So these are the amount of people that are actually clicking on my content, looking at my content, and actually coming over here, repinning it, or actually clicking through to the website. Okay, so, and I actually show you where I'm ranking for a keyword, which is a free PayPal money, and this is an actual YouTube video, and it's actually sending traffic to that YouTube video. You can see my YouTube video right here is actually ranking for this keyword, and when people come in here and they search this and they see my face over here, this is a YouTube video, they click through, is actually sending traffic back to my YouTube video. So like I said, this is really simple to do, and like I said, this is just a little short video on how to do it, the overall method. Now I do have a Pinterest course where I break down each and everything, but the same thing that I'm telling you to do is actually in this course, and you can actually put this stuff on autopilot and speed this up instead of going the whole route that I did, which is basically constantly coming up in here and repinning. You can have this software do it for you. Like I said, this is $9 a month. The link is in the description below. $9 a month, or you can do $37. It's really simple. You can add up to 8 Pinterest accounts. I do have more. If I go right here, have a pug account. I have a food recipe for lazy people account that is actually sending traffic to my actual website, and I can actually come in here and, like I said, all that stuff that I teach you guys is coming with proof. This is actually sending traffic right now as we speak to my website because of the pins that I put on that actual particular board. This is a food blog, which is very competitive. If I go over here and actually go down here to quick stats, Google Analytics, we're going to go to the last 90 days. We're going to go to referrals, which means where the traffic is coming from. You can see over 3,000 of my sessions have come from Pinterest social right there. So, like I said, proof is in the pudding, and I'm getting the same amount of traffic on a higher stage to my make money and affiliate websites that I build. So really simple. I'll leave a link where I'll leave a link to a video that I showed you guys that I did a couple of days ago that actually kind of showed how I did it with apps. If that's something you're interested in, I actually go dive a little bit deeper into it. But nothing is going to be faster than this software and actually setting up a new Pinterest account and actually growing it, and actually the training that you get with it. You could be building up, some legit income streams by doing this. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and comment any questions that you have about Pinterest below. Also, follow me on my social media on Instagram, all that good stuff. Subscribe. You know the drill. That's all I got for you guys. The links to all of the stuff that I talked about will be in the description below, and I even have my Pinterest marketing course in there. That's like a whole playlist of diving deep into it, but it's not going to be nothing compared to what's in this actual software. And I'm glad about that, because we live and we learn, and we learn new things, and I'm actually really glad that somebody's actually teaching this stuff. So that link will be in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.